morning to you.
Well, it's great to be here.
You know there's fear. All you have to do is look at the amount of cash on the sidelines that's parked there. But you're saying forget bullish, but you're not doing anything with the money. Pick up something. It's a discount. It's on sale.
Yeah.
Buy your kid a share of Alcoa, okay?
Exactly.
David is with us all hour. And, of course, he's got more than $100 billion in assets under management. So his ideas are very important to listen to. Do you recommend it to clients?
Yes. Yes, we like Walmart in here.
Any energy right now, Atlas shares surging 18% after the natural gas producer announced a blockbuster deal with Reliance Industries. This is India's largest private company. The $1.7 billion deal gives Reliance a 40% stake in one of Atlas's large natural gas shale fields. Atlas has reportedly been looking for a partner for some time. The news is an agreement as sending shares to a 52-week high today. So great news certainly for Atlas America shareholders. Let's talk about the floor show now. Bringing in the traders at the New York Stock Exchange, CME Group, and the Intercontinental Exchange. Bobby Heller, looking at the flows today in particular, and I guess you could play in with the volume because that's always part of the story, but a march once again toward Dow 11,000. And where do we go from here, maybe in the next week or so?
Well, I say we're right back in the same old pattern.
Here we are right there on 6th Avenue. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this. Jeff, pan around. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a Segway? Is it a good humor vehicle with the U.S. Postal Service sticker on it? No. It is a T3. It is a brand new vehicle from a company called T3 that is making a pretty gutsy prediction saying, you know what? We're going to go from being a $50 million company to a $500 million company by selling these things all over the world. In a Fox Business exclusive, we have the founder and CEO, Keen Noem. Good to have you. Thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you for talking.
Okay, first explain to people, we've got two vehicles,
yes.
This one and this one. We'll start with the microcar. Tell us what this is and who needs it, who wants it, and how you're going to convince people to spend thousands of dollars on it.
Well, this is all electric vehicle, so I see more requests coming from the Middle East. So far, we're in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia.
The Middle East is a big market. This is the vehicle that's attracting a lot of attention out here on 6th Avenue. So talk about this, and I'd love for you to hop on it because,
sure.
Folks, there's a 0-degree turning radius,
That's
right?
correct.
I mean, it's
Let
amazing
me demonstrate to you.
Don't hit me, dude.
And there were mail to put the couple spin lock.
Okay. You didn't want me to steal the mail, did you? You didn't want me to steal the Pottery Barn catalogs. You need, though, more investors. What is your real goal here to get that rocket fuel thrown onto the company?
Well, right now, a company, like just every green company, needs a lot of capital to, no.
We don't like good for you. You'll do it on your own. And so, again, a 0-degree turning radius?
That's correct. And all the batteries are removable. You can see.
Is it lithium ion, you said?
Yes, all lithium ion.
Manufacture it on your own?
Yes. We already deployed 5,000 of these battery packs out worldwide already. So we already have 2,000 vehicles in use in the airport, law enforcement.
Are you hiring?
Yes, you are.
You're hiring right now in California,
yes,
correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Keen Noem, he's hiring if you're interested.
And we're manufacturing everything in California.
Everything in California,
That's
made in the USA. Keen Noem is the CEO and founder of T3.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Thank you so much. A big story today has been the banks, and certainly about balance sheets. Wall Street Journal reporting that banks tweak their back. Are affecting the psyche, certainly, of the markets. Ambac, you got to talk about that one. It's the top percentage gainer on the New York Stock Exchange after the bond insurer swung to a profit from a loss in the fourth quarter. It was the second consecutive quarterly profit for Ambac, a company that just 2 years ago was fighting for its life. Ambac up 79% today on a decent profit report. And we've got Williams-Sonoma shares hitting a 52-week high. Oppenheimer upgrading the home furnishings retailer to outperform from perform on valuation. You know, Williams-Sonoma used to be a kitchen company. Now they're making furniture. It's taken off. They say shares have a 40% upside from the current levels. But Constellation Brands under pressure. This is a wine and spirits maker, beating fourth quarter profit targets, but forecast full-year profits below expectations, so that stock down about 2.5%. Nicole Pedalides at the New York Stock Exchange. What are you looking at?
There are a lot of worries that this market could focus on. Instead, it's focusing on the positive. That's great to see.
Well, it happened right here on Countdown to the Closing Bell. Dow 11,000. Now we're 5 points away. But David Joy of RiverSource, thank you for joining us.
Welcome.
Well, let's count down with 4 minutes to go. Our 7 late movers and Shibani Joshi at the NASDAQ. And minutes ago, we touched it. Dow 11,000. The trading day coming to an end, but quite a business day coming here. Here's what's coming up on Bulls and Bears.
We are waiting to see whether we will.
Blanton, thank you very much.
I mean, the rest of us. We're included in the young people, for goodness sakes.
David, Johnny Sack has a problem.
He does.
Congressional Budget Office Director Douglas Elmendorf. Did you hear what he said? He says he's preparing to take a closer look at that value-added tax as a way to bring more money into the federal government.
Of course, more taxes. Take more from us. Well, the Sopranos boss, Johnny Sack, Sacramento.
Very much.
Johnny Sack. Well, the president has another important Supreme Court decision.
Nuclear Day in Iran, and President Mahmoud Ahmadinejad is using it to again taunt U.S. efforts to rein in his country's atomic ambitions.
Fox News' Amy Kellogg has the very latest development.
Monday, a reminder, earnings season begins on Monday with Alcoa. We'll be here for that.
Meanwhile, from Bulls and Bears to the Bull and Bear Bar in Manhattan.
Happy hour is next. Have a great weekend.